Hello traders, FX Speculate here. Today is Thursday, May 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, it definitely does still look to me like a possible end of a correction right here. Now we do have to remember, I always consider the US dollar yen more of a yen pair than a dollar pair. A lot of the yen pairs look like they have a long ways to go to the upside, so even though this looks like an ABC correction, it definitely could end up continuing up and maybe even going all the way back up, making a new high. But right now, I'm definitely looking at it as possibly a correction to this last move down. So we are going to be looking at this as possibly a correction and possibly turning at one of these Fibonacci levels. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I see a series of lower lows, lower highs. Looks like a wave one. I think this is still a good chance that this is an ABC right here, and that it goes up to one of these higher fib levels and makes a turn to the downside. But like I was saying, the yen very easily could just continue to drive this right up like that. And if it does, honestly, it doesn't matter to me one bit if I think this is a wave C and it just keeps on trending up, because I'm going to be looking for longs on shorter time frames until I see proof that the wave C is over. If I never see proof that the wave C is over, I'll never start looking for shorts and I'll just keep on looking for longs. So if it just keeps on trending up, it definitely is not going to matter to me. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, most likely an A, but could be a 1. Looks like three ways down, like an A, B, C, a B, but could be a 2. And it looks like we are making lower lows, higher highs, higher lows, and it looks like we are trending up, possibly for a wave C. If it is a wave C, then it will go up to one of these fib levels, make a very big engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure, proving that it is a wave C and that we need to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. If it's not a wave C, then it will probably bounce off fib levels, but it will never break structure to the downside, and it will just keep making higher highs, higher lows, and we'll just continue to be looking for longs the whole way up while we learn whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. We will be learning and earning at the same time. So let's head down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, based on our higher time frame analysis, we're definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. Even if it is a wave C, I do not think this is over. So if I see any pullbacks, those are definitely the trades I'm looking for the continuation of the uptrend. Just like this right there, three ways down, impulsive up, entry to go long. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, pretty much the only thing I'm concerned about down here is looking for pullback entries. Three ways down, go long. Three ways down, go long. Even right there today, we had a three-way pullback and an entry to go long. So it does look like it is getting ready to make a pullback, and it probably will break structure, but that definitely doesn't mean that the trend is going down now. It just means it's the beginning of a new correction. And if it does make three ways down, impulsive up later on, maybe in a day or so, then that's definitely going to be my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. I am definitely at this point only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of any of these ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.